Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, let's take a look again at the gold market. The gold market right now is really important because it works as additional indicator to the forex market. Currently it's a bit tricky action, so if you are monitoring the action on the forex, on the euro currency for example, you can see that on Monday market has shown a significant rally. And this rally right now looks a bit irrational because currently United States mostly stands in the if area or possible rate increasing tomorrow on the Fed meeting. And it will be 1 month earlier than it was suggested initially, because just a few days ago, before the gross domestic product has been released, the major expectation stands for September. So next increase of the rate will come in September. So and on the gold market, you can see the reaction and the overall price action that stands a bit contradictory to what we see on the euro currency. That makes me think that on the euro currency rally that we see right now and yesterday, it's really fragile. And it's really tricky because euro has not broken yet for the major resistance at 1750. And it still keeps bearish scenario valid. It means that in any moment euro could turn down again. And the action that we see right now in the gold market is just another point in favor of this scenario, because take a look on reaction on the gold. We do not see any rally. Yes, there was really very small action. It was inside session to the Friday. We have the valid grabber. It suggests taking out of these lows. We have the valid reversal session. While on the euro we see the pullback inside of the reversal candle. It's really high pullback. On the gold market we see nothing of that sort. Even more, on the gold market we could say that we have kind of the bearish dynamic pressure, because take a look, the price turns bullish, but trend turns bullish, but price action is not, mostly stands bearish. It means that these lows will be taken out. And here we just could confirm the pattern that we are talked about recently in the weekly report. This is our butterfly. So ABCD OP target has been met, minor retracement has happened. Yesterday we said keep an eye on this possible price action on Monday, so if you will get the pullback, because here actually we have the bullish engulfing, and it really could lead to the deeper retracement, and we have the pennant pattern that is forming, so be prepared for possible upward retracement. So actually this retracement has happened on the euro, but on the gold market, as you can see, no significant pullback has happened. So as you can see, instead of that, market is now showing the downward breakout, and it really supports our overall idea that when we saw this upward rally, we said, guys, be careful, because market keeps untouched valid this top, and it keeps road for butterfly. And indeed that has happened. Market has shown really significant drop back. And that coincides with the overall conception that we see on the daily chart with the grabber and really bearish dynamic pressure. So taking into consideration that indeed tomorrow it could become some surprise from the Fed. Right now rumors around the United States market stands that rate could be rising tomorrow. So it really could lead to collapse on the gold market. Although we keep on touch our medium-term scenario that indeed some upward reaction on gold market could happen, but very closely watching for this butterfly, because we need the pattern that could trigger this upward action on the weekly chart, and we do not have yet the clear bullish reversal pattern. Among the possible candidates on this place, it could become the butterfly. And currently the idea of the butterfly very good match to overall events that right now are expected in the market. So drop down right now stands here on the hourly chart. If you remember, we have discussed this possible upward ABCD pattern, but it hasn't happened, and instead of that, market starts drop below these lows and erase the chance on these hand shorts, while on the euro currency, these hand shorts have been completed. So actually, market has completed this ABCD XOP target on the euro. And this divergence between the gold and euro makes me think that on the euro currency, this rally stands under question, and it really could be finished at any, could end at any moment. Now, here two patterns are forming. So you can see this butterfly could lead market back to the lows around 12.11. So because the hand short has not been formed, then actually we could say that it has failed. It means that downward action currently is more probable. Here you also could recognize minor butterflies, also last part of this. It's minor butterfly, but this is only for really short-term traders. So it's trade if you trade on the 15-minute chart, for example. In our scenario from the daily, hourly situation, we're mostly watching for first drop back to the lows, but after that we will turn to this butterfly. Right now is forming as well. So currently, the price action that we see mostly confirms the idea that technical picture still stands bearish. All bearish patterns that we have on the daily are still valid. That's why probably this downward action really could continue within today and tomorrow's session.